Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, but on behalf of LearnITCoursesOnline.com as well as LearnJobsOnline.com, I'd like to thank you. We do know that you have a variety of choices of IT training, and you've chosen us, so we really appreciate that and hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. As a powerful data visualization tool, Tableau has many unique terms and definitions. You need to be acquainted with their meanings before you start using the features in Tableau. The following list of terms is comprehensive and explains the terms most frequently used. Number 1, alias. And that's a reference to an alternative name that you can assign to a field or to a dimension member. Number 2, bin, which is a user-defined grouping of measures in the data source. Number 3, bookmark, a .tbm file in the Bookmarks folder in the Tableau repository that contains a single worksheet. Much like web browser bookmarks, .tbm files are a convenient way to quickly display different analysis. Number 4, calculated fields. And that is a new field that you create by using a formula to modify the existing fields in your data source. Number 5, Crosstab. A text table view. Use text tables to display the numbers associated with dimension members. Number 6, dashboard. A combination of several views arranged on a single page. Use dashboards to compare and monitor a variety of data simultaneously. Number 7, data pane. A pane on the left side of the workbook that displays the fields of the data source to which Tableau is connected. Number 8, data source page. A page where you can set up your data source. The data source page generally consists of a variety of areas, including the left pane, join area, preview area, and metadata area. Number 9, dimension. A field of categorical data. Dimensions typically hold discrete data such as hierarchies and members that cannot be aggregated. Examples of dimensions include dates, customer names, and customer segments. Number 10, extract. A saved subset of a data source that you can use to improve performance and analyze offline. Number 11, filters shelf. A shelf on the left of the workbook that you can use to exclude data from a view by filtering it using measures and dimensions. Number 12, Format Pane. A pane that contains formatting settings that control the entire worksheet as well as individual fields in the view. When open, the Format Pane appears on the left side of the workbook. Number 13, Level of Detail Expression, LOD. A syntax that supports aggregation at dimensionalities other than the view level. With the level of detail expressions, you can attach one or more dimensions to any aggregate expression. Number 14, marks. A part of the view that visually represent one or more rows in a data source. A mark can be, for example, a bar, line, or square. Number 15, marks card. A card to the left of the view where you can drag fields to control mark properties such as type, color, size, shape, label, tooltip, and detail. Number 16, pages shelf. A shelf to the left of the view that you can use to split a view into a sequence of pages based on the members and values in a discrete or continuous field. Number 17, rows shelf. A shelf at the top of the workbook that you can use to create the rows of a data table. The shelf accepts any number of dimensions and measures. Number 18, shelves. Named areas to the left and top of the view. You build views by placing fields onto the shelves. Number 19, workbook. A file with a .twb extension that contains one or more worksheets, and possibly also dashboards and stories. Number 20, worksheet. A sheet where you build views of your data by dragging fields onto shelves. Tableau can connect to all the popular data sources which are widely used. Tableau's native connectors can connect to the following types of data sources. Number 1, file systems, such as Excel, CSV, which are comma-separated values, or comma-delimited files. Number 2, relational systems, or databases, such as Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, DB2, MySQL. Number 3, cloud systems, such as Windows Azure, Google BigQuery. Number 4, other sources, such as ODBC. A couple of examples, Connect Live. The Connect Live feature is used for real-time data analysis. In this case, Tableau connects to real-time data sources and keeps reading the data. Next, in-memory. Tableau can also process data in memory by caching them in memory and not being connected to the source anymore while analyzing the data. Next, combine data sources. Tableau can connect to different data sources at the same time. For example, in a single workbook, you can connect to a flat file and a relational source by defining multiple connections. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also, don't hesitate to visit our website at learnitcoursesonline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions, and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.